Good morning बच्चों. Today we will discuss about the pollination. Previously you have seen the megasporogenesis, microsporogenesis. Now we will discuss about pollination. What is pollination? Pollination. Pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of flower is called as pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of flower is called as pollination. Up on the basis of the transfer of pollen grain, it is transferring from the anther to the stigma of same flower, or from anther to the stigma of other flower of same plant, or from the anther to the stigma of flower of other plant. There are different type of pollination. So pollination is generally three types. One is called as self pollination. Self pollination. Self pollination. Other is called as cross pollination or genogamy. It is called as genogamy. It is also called as cross pollination. But the self pollination is two types. This self pollination is two types. What are the two types? One is called as autogamy. Other is called as Geitono. Geitono. So pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of flower, that is called as pollination. It is two types, self pollination and genogamy means cross pollination. Self pollination, when pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of same flower, that is called as autogamy. And geitono, when pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of other flower of same plant, that is called as geitono. And when pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of other flower plant of the same species, that is called as genogamy. Let us see with the help of this example. Suppose here is one plant. Here is one plant. This plant bears several flower. Here is the flower. Here is the flower. Here is anther, and here one more flower is present. Here is the flower, and suppose like this. Here. Suppose here several pollen grains are produced. Here pollen grains are produced if the pollen grain from this anther reach on the stigma, means this is the pollen grain of same flower. The pollen grain of same flower reaching on the stigma, then it is called as what? Autogamy. It is called as autogamy. This is autogamy. When pollen grain transfer from anther to stigma of same flower, that is called as autogamy. And now suppose this is the pollen grain. From here it will transfer to the stigma of other flower. Here transferring on the same flower. It is transferring on the same flower. When pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of same flower, that is called as autogamy. And when it transfer from anther to the stigma of other flower of same plant, other flower of same plant. This is the one flower, this is the other flower. So when transferring to same flower, that is autogamy. When transferring to other flower of same plant, that is called as geitonogamy. This is geitonogamy. And other condition is here. Suppose this is one anther plant. Here is also flower. Here is flower of the same species plant. This is the plant of same species. Now, suppose here is the pollen grain. It is also producing pollen grain, and this pollen grain transfer from here to other plant, flower of other plant of same species. Now this pollen grain reach here. What do we say to this? This is called as this is geitonogamy. G-I-T-O-N-O-G-A-M-Y, and this is called as genogamy. So this transfer is called as genogamy or cross pollination. So what I told here, pollination, the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of flower, it is mainly two types, self pollination and cross pollination. In self pollination it is two types, autogamy and geitonogamy. In autogamy, when the pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of same flower, then it is called as autogamy. And autogamy is very common in closed flower. Autogamy is very common in closed flower. Closed flower means clistogamous flower. Clistogamous flower. This autogamy is very common in closed flower for assured seed production. Just like Viola axialis, they are producing two type of flower. In the Viola axialis, suppose here the Viola, here lower side, in the form of what flower bud is found. Here is the flower bud. In this flower bud, large number of male and and female flower are present, and here outside exposed flower are present. Here outside, upside exposed flower. So in exposed flower there is the chance of autogamy, there is the chance of heterogamy, and there is the chance of genogamy. But the flower which are totally closed, suppose here flower is closed. In this flower, here suppose both male and female organ are present here. Both male organ and female organ, so self-pollination. In closed flower, this is the closed flower. In closed flower, there is only chance of autogamy. Their pollen grain will reach on the stigma. So in closed flower, like in Oxalis and Viola, groundnut also have closed flower inside the ground. Pea plant also have closed flower. Their only and only chance of autogamy means their pollen grain will reach on their stigma. That is autogamy. Now, the flower which are exposed, these exposed flower are called as chesmogamous flower. Exposed flower are called as chesmogamous flower. Chesmogamous, and this is called as clistogamous. This is clistogamous. These are chesmogamous. So chesmogamous flower, there is chance of this pollen grain should come here, or other plant flower pollen grain should come here of same species, or in the same plant so many flowers are there, they can come heterogamy, autogamy and genogamy. But here in the closed flower, this closed flower clistogamous. Closed flower are the clistogamous flower. In the Oxalis, Oxalis and Viola, there are the both type of flower. Downside, there are the bud-like structure in which both male and female organ are present. It is closed, it will not open. There is anther is just near to the stigma and it will set the pollen grain on the stigma, so autogamy takes place. But here in the open flower, there is not guarantee that only means autogamy occurs. There is a chance of heterogamy and genogamy. Also through butterfly, moth, pollen grain can come of the same species present in nearby area. So transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the same flower, autogamy. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of other flower of same plant, that is called as heterogamy. But the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of other plant flower of the same species, that is called as genogamy or cross pollination. This genogamy occurs in exposed flower. Heterogamy occurs in exposed flower. But the autogamy is very common in the closed flower. Closed flower are called as clistogamous flower, and exposed flower are called as chesmogamous flower. These two type of flower are found in Oxalis and Viola as well as in groundnut. In pea also, leguminous crop also closed flower are present, so there is the chance of self-pollination. Self-pollination plays important role in assured seed production. So from this topic, some question can be asked in board examination as well as in NEET examination also. Suppose what is genogamy? What is heterogamy? What is autogamy? The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of same flower is autogamy, heterogamy, genogamy, none of above. So the pollen grain transfer from anther to the stigma of same flower, that is called as autogamy. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of other flower of same plant, that is heterogamy. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of other plant flower of the same species, that is called as genogamy. So this is all about the pollination. Thank you very much.